Hello! Welcome back, guys, to Trenton Chapel Cooking Show. You guys missed this series for some reason. Today, we're going to be cooking a healthy meal today. Yes. Something a bit rare on my channel. It is honey glazed chicken with brown rice and vegetables. So, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so first things first, let's get into the ingredients that we'll be needing. Cameraman? First up, rice. Your brown rice. This is just some simple Uncle Ben bean, I was about to say beans, that's funny, rice in a bag. There you go. Then you follow me over here. We got our chicken, nice and juicy. You know what I mean, Mom? Honey, the thicker the better. That's what I say. Like my women. Lemon juice. What is this? Basil? All right, cool. Basil. Dijon mustard. Pepper. And your salt. Now, there's also one more. We already have it in here. You need your vegetables. We got peas and carrots up in here. But yeah. And I forgot this one too. Some diced onions. Alright, let's get cooking. Okay, first step. We're gonna cook the rice first since that's gonna be the longest. All you pretty much gotta do is just drop it in, right? Interesting. Our next step is we're gonna be mixing up the sauce. Now, there is a thing you have to do first that I wasn't on. Sanitation. Remember that, cameraman? Sanitation's key, especially during the coronavirus. Jeez, this paper towel sucks. Alright. So, let me get a quick look at the recipe here. Alright, first step. Do what? Rick,
Come on, floats.
Alright, so you're gonna need 2 tablespoons. Huh?
Move the chicken.
Okay. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of oil. So, there it is. 1, 2. Alright. 2 tablespoons of honey. Would you just clean that out or just leave it? No?
Just use it.
You doing alright, Mom? Alright. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Very good.
Alright. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. My cameraman is almost 50 and he's laughing. Except basil, whenever the cameraman says. Cool. So cameraman, what's the next step? Turn on the grill.
Turn on the grill. Close the lid, let it get warm. And then bring the chicken out.
Alright, so now we're outside on the grill. Now, this is the first time ever on the Trenton Chapel Cooking Show we've actually used the grill. And me, being a very irresponsible adult, right? Make sure if you're doing this, have a supervision over yourself, so you don't burn yourself. Alright. So, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to pick it up, ooh, that's slimy, and lay it sideways. Whew. You do this for all. Dude, these things are thick.
That's what she said.
Eat you.
Or does it look like it needs it? Oh, gosh.
Alright. Rice is done. I'm gonna pour it in here. Next up, the vegetables are also done. This is gonna be hot. Right there. Rendered scissors. Stir. Alright, so once you get all that stuff done inside, your chicken should be done. Ooh. Look at that, cameraman, be careful. Look at that. Look at that. If your chicken doesn't look like that, then you messed up. So there it is. Doesn't that look good, Mom?
It looks delicious.
Alright, because you're trying it.
Great.
Make sure you get some chicken in there too.
You're gonna make me eat meat?
Yep. It's part of the meal.
Gross. Very good.
Is it good?
Approved.